PERM labor certification is the first of 3 stages for an employer to sponsor a foreign national for permanent residence, or commonly referred to as green card. PERM was designed by the U.S. Department of Labor to protect U.S. workers. Employers must demonstrate through good faith recruitment that there are no U.S. workers who are able, willing, and qualified to perform the offered position. Employers must also demonstrate that they're not adversely affecting the wages of U.S. workers or the working conditions of U.S. workers. So when submitting a PERM application to the Department of Labor, there are a lot of hurdles to overcome. And here at ImLaw, we are here to help you overcome those hurdles. Employers have to prepare a job advertisement that complies with the PERM regulations and requirements and also meets the employee's specific qualifications and background. So the first step, once the job ad is finalized, is to submit a prevailing wage request to the Department of Labor so they can issue a prevailing wage determination, which will provide the minimum required wage that the company will have to pay to the foreign national. So once we have the prevailing wage determination, there are 3 required recruitment steps that all employers must take. And so the first one is placing a job ad with the state workforce agency, and that must be done for 30 calendar days. And then the employer must place 2 Sunday newspaper ads. And the third required recruitment step is the notice of filing, which must be posted at the employee work location, and this must be posted for 10 business days. In addition to the 3 required recruitment steps, there are 3 additional steps that must take place. The Department of Labor gives you 10 options to choose from. The 3 most common are posting on the company's website, posting on a job search website such as Monster, Career Builder, or via radio ad. There's several options to choose from. So as U.S. workers start applying for the position, employers must review all applications and resumes within a reasonable amount of time and ensure that there are no able, willing, and qualified applicants that meet the minimum requirements of the position. So the entire PERM process must take place within 180 days, including the beginning of the recruitment and reviewing of all resumes. There is also a 30-day quiet period once all recruitment has ended that the employer must wait before submitting the PERM application with the Department of Labor. Once all hurdles have been cleared, the employer can submit the PERM application or Form ETA 9089. The Department of Labor may approve or deny the application, or it may issue a notice of audit. So the processing times are generally 5 to 8 months. If a notice of audit is issued, plan on an additional 8 to 12 months of processing. Our goal here at ImLaw is for your PERM application to be approved or certified by the Department of Labor. After certification, the employer will file the I-140 immigrant petition with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. After the I-140 immigrant petition, and occasionally concurrently filed with the I-140 petition, is the I-45 adjustment of status application, or also called the green card application. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the PERM labor certification process. If you have any questions, please contact our office.